Hey GlamDollz, I'm super excited to be here with you all today because it is my skincare day. Yes, today is my skincare day, and I'm so excited because I get a chance to utilize some spa quality at home treatments, which I ain't had to break my bank for because it came from my local Dollar Tree. I'm talking about the So Fresh and So Clean 15-minute self-heating mud-based formula. All right, it is a green tea facial mask that I purchased right up in my local Dollar Tree, and today I get to utilize it right in the comfort of my own home. I mean, what more can a lady ask for? To have spa quality care treatments in the comfort of her own home. That's life. Like I said, I picked this up from my local Dollar Tree. I also will be using my microfiber face cloths, which is these right here. And I will be using my hair wrap, which is my microfiber hair wrap that I'm going to take my bonnet off and wrap my hair up in. And then I have a bowl of steeping hot water to help wash this mask off. So let me get myself situated and I'll come right back to y'all when I'm ready to begin. Okay, dolls, so now that I got myself a little bit more situated, you know, I got on my microfiber head wrap, I'm getting into my spa home mode. I finally got a chance to open the actual mask that I'll be utilizing, and let's get this going. Oh, and I will, oh, smells just like the spa. I also will be using my silicone facial mask applicator, in which I purchased again from my local Dollar Tree. I keep telling you all to stop sleeping Dollar Tree for the spa quality products that they tend to carry. Okay, so according to the instructions, it advises me to use my fingertips, but you don't have to. I'm going to use this. So I'm going to squeeze some of it out, and what I love about it already is it's it has a screw top, which means I can, you know, close it back effectively. Oh, this feels so good going against my skin. Oh yeah, and I'm doing this in an upward motion. Notice I'm doing an upward motion. It says don't get too close to under the eyes. Don't get close to under the eyes. That's probably why it's being suggestive for me to use my fingertips. Let me push this back a little bit. Go like this. Okay, dolls, as I apply this mask, I want to tell you a bit more about its benefits. It's infused with green tea and witch hazel, which helps to unclog pores and purify the skin. It has cucumber and chamomile in it, which helps to condition and soothe your skin. It also has tea tree and salicylic acid, which helps to control that oily skin and acne. And it has aloe vera and vitamin E, which helps to moisturize the skin, and most importantly, vitamin C, which helps to brighten the skin. This mask is pH balanced, hypoallergenic, paraben free, and has not been tested on any animals. It is definitely worth you all looking into. It's so fresh and so clean, and it's available right in your local Dollar Tree. You're getting spa quality without you having to break the bank for it. I feel covered now, according to this, 15 minutes. Let's see. Hey Siri, set my timer for 15 minutes.
Okay, your timer is set for 15 minutes.
Okay, dolls, I will see you all in 15 minutes. One more thing. So I'm about 2 or 3 minutes into the treatment because I had just recently started my timer, but I'm also going to incorporate my eye pads, which is by April Bath and Shower, which looks like this right here. So these are some cooling cucumber eye pads that I got from my local Dollar Tree, and I'm going to indulge by adding these onto my eyes too. Woo. Oh. Okay. Ooh, how do I look? Do I look relaxed? Let me lay here and enjoy my next few minutes. Okay, dolls, let's peel this off. Let's get this off. Okay, let's peel this off. I did not want to remove these. These felt so good on my eyes. So here I have my bowl of very hot water. And I have a white washcloth in there. And now I'm going to take my purple microfiber washcloth, put it in the bowl of water. Ooh, that's hot. Put it in the bowl of water. As such, you see it's in there. And I'm going to proceed to remove this mask because it says you can wipe it off. My skin definitely feels clean. Like, I feel super clean. And I feel very relaxed. So on that note, dolls, this is pretty much now concluding the video because I am really enjoying the results of this. So fresh, so clean, 15-minute mud-based self-heating facial mask, which you ain't gotta fly all the way to the country of Switzerland just to get a fine quality mud facial when you can get it right in the comfort of your own home, right from Dollar Tree, right for $1 damn. And mind you, there's a lot left over. All of this down here is still left over. I probably can get about a good 5 or more facials out of this one pack. Yeah, I'm very happy. For real, dolls, this just concluded the video. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you in another video again shortly. Later, dolls. Oh.